You should see a page with 3 sections: Youth, Adult, and Family Programs. Select Youth. Click Summer Playground Camp. You can register for the AM session, PM session, or both. If you want to register for the all-day session, you have to register for both. Scroll down and hit Check Availability and find an available session. Click each session you want to register for. Select Add to Cart. Sign in if necessary, and select which family member the program applies to. Select Continue. Read through the questions and answer as necessary, then sign the digital waiver using your name and signature. Hit Continue. Here is your shopping cart. You can remove a purchase, apply a coupon, or go straight to checkout. Add the required information for payment and billing. Select I am not a robot. Answer the reCAPTCHA. Hit Continue. You now know how to register for Summer Playground Camp.